Ito, mahal na mahal mo pa hanggang ngayon. Damandama ko.
Naman.
Mabuti naman ito, maganda, pumayat.
Grabe.
Masenso. Ikaw, kumusta ka na?
Sabit na ako sa iya.
Yeah, I know, right?
Naman na.
Parang ice ni Casey.
Wow. Alam mo ba yan, sinusot ito. Binigay mo sa akin ito.
Kasi he's colorblind.
Colorblind?
That's his only defect.
Kaya pag
Yeah. Kasi marunong na rin kumanta. Yun ang defect mo.
Kaya
Parang choosy.
Kaya nung sinunod ko to, talagang nakikita na kita.
Anong kulay ko?
Kaya huwag mong tatanggalin to dahil ikaw.
Wait,
Kita mo,
what color is this?
Think.
Oh, from last time, you know.
Ano yan? Dirty white?
Okay,
Dala.
what color is the font? What color is the font in the guide? Gabriel.
Wow, ang bango.
Seryoso.
No, pero, actually,
Mother de Dios.
I don't know the color. Sino sa inyo ang colorblind? Anybody colorblind?
Yeah.
What color is this? You can't tell, right? But to us, it's dirty white, right?
Because he wanted
Or
to
something,
be,
right?
he wanted to become a pilot after he wanted to become a dentist. Kung nag-dentista ka at nag-piloto ka, Diyos ko, mas marami anak mo. Pero hindi naman mag-piloto kasi hindi pwede colorblind. So, I knew that we have to see the colors now. The point is, how do you know when red is red or pink is pink when you've never really seen the real colors? Now we don't know the colors here.
You can relate with that. One thing is for sure, when you wear this, you see a lot of colors. Right? When you see your wife, you see a very colorful life.
Parang ako sinasabi, it's okay when you talk to the gentleman, but when you talk to me like that, parang nakikita mo sa akin Teletubbies. Kaya Power Rangers.
Because the colors, di ba?
Hindi na kamukhang Barney yun. Parang pag-purple, mahirap na yun.
That's purple.
Baka mapagkamala na ng dinosaur. Ngayon, pwede na ako mag-violet.
Hindi, pero sa totoo lang, kaya ako sunod ito. Because I would like to see you clearly.
Nandiyan din si si Dimple.
Love mo ba ako?
Kanina, ang hilig mag-fish niyan tonight. Tanong lang tanong, you love me ba? Ayan.
Ganito lang. Kanina pa sinasabi na I wanted to watch her sing, right? So we have a number of movies that we did. She also did a lot of movies that she did. And of course, she's a singer. Who would like to watch her sing all our movies? All our movies. Panurin po natin.
But you know, actually, it's your part. Look at the guy.
Hindi, mas maganda kung ikaw muna.
Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Siya na. It's a glasses.
Are you in love? Kasi sabihin ko ngayon, ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi ka tayo nakita ng 10 days.
Yun ang
Nagsasabi mo.
Yun ang sinasabi ko. Lahat ng gagawin ko ngayong gabi, gagawin ko para sa'yo.
Naniligaw ka ba?
Mula nung
Makaalis
nakita
na
ka.
muna. Dito mo na kumanta ka dyan.
Magbihis ka muna para paglabas mo dito, makikita kita iba ng sunod.
Ibang kulay na naman.
Yeah.
You will guess the color, okay? Excuse me, Ate Ta.
Bye-bye!
Ladies and gentlemen,